Welcome to Semiconductor Synergy, where VLSI and cutting-edge technologies converge. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of very large-scale integration, VLSI, and how it intersects with the latest cutting-edge technologies, driving innovation in the semiconductor industry. The journey of VLSI began with the need to pack more components onto a single chip. From the early days of silicon transistors to the intricate microarchitecture of today, VLSI has fueled the exponential growth of computing power. At the heart of VLSI lies the art of miniaturization. Moore's law, which predicted the doubling of transistors every 2 years, set the stage for continual innovation. As transistors shrank, the semiconductor industry witnessed the birth of microprocessors that revolutionized computing. Today, the synergy between VLSI and cutting-edge technologies is shaping our world. Artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, IoT, and augmented reality, AR, applications are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and VLSI plays a pivotal role in enabling these innovations. With technological advancement comes the challenge of power efficiency. As devices get smaller and more powerful, managing heat and energy consumption becomes critical. VLSI engineers are developing innovative solutions to address these challenges, from advanced cooling techniques to energy-efficient designs. The marriage of VLSI and cutting-edge technologies thrives on collaboration. Leading researchers, engineers, and institutions are working hand-in-hand to explore new materials, architectures, and manufacturing processes, all aimed at enhancing performance and functionality. As we look ahead, the convergence of VLSI with emerging fields like quantum computing and neuromorphic computing presents new horizons. These technologies promise to reshape industries and solve complex problems that were once thought impossible. In the ever-evolving landscape of semiconductors, the synergy between VLSI and cutting-edge technologies continues to drive progress, enabling a future where the unimaginable becomes reality. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Semiconductor Synergy, where VLSI and cutting-edge technologies converge. Stay curious, stay innovative.